Design team, this is John with a super quick tutorial. So when projects are completed, right, especially design projects, I'm gonna need you to upload the source files and final files to Dropbox. So this is the process. So the first thing an admin will do, or the project manager, is find the folder on Dropbox and give you access. Then we'll add a message saying, please add the files here, right? And then we're gonna click share. So now we're giving you access to that Dropbox folder so you can go ahead and access that and put the files where they need to be, right? Then the designer should create folders within the folder, like client name and design name, right? So I'm gonna go to that folder. As you can see, it's first source, that's the work that we just completed. And then we have the logo, right? So you're gonna create folders for each of these specific tasks that you completed. So this is the letterhead, right? So let's create a folder. Let's call that letterhead. Whoops, letterhead, that's done. Okay, and then we're going to do business card, brand guideline, social media images. So let's do business card. Let's do brand guideline. And then let's also do the last piece, which is social media artwork. So now everything's organized there, right? And then all you're going to do is download the files. So this is the final. Let's go ahead and download that one. All right, so we have that here. I'll just drag it to the desktop so it's there. Okay, so that we have that letterhead. Perfect. The business card, let's get that too. Let's download that. All right, and then let's do the same thing with the brand guidelines. Download that. Okay, let's save that to the desktop as well. And then let's do the same thing with the social media banners. Let's see. Actually, I think you're still working on those, so we'll put that later. All right, so once that's done, I'm gonna go back to Dropbox and you're just gonna drop the files where they need to go. Right, so let's go to desktop, brand guidelines, and just make sure you have some nice architecture for the title. So brand guidelines, that looks good. Let's drop that here. Okay, let's do business card here. And let's drop that in there. And then let's do first source logo, letterhead, and then drop that here. And that's it. You're just gonna drop the files there. Okay. Once that's done, you need to make sure you also include the source files. So all these documents we have here are great, but these are the final versions, right? JPEG, PDF. We want to make sure that we have the source files, the PSDs or the AI files, so that if we need to edit them later, we have all the source files there. And then lastly, you're going to want to create a share link and notify the project manager, right? So once all that's done, you're actually going to go to the main folder, right? This first source folder, because everything is within there. All you're going to do is click this button here, share. You're going to do copy link, and then just copy that anywhere you need to. And then actually go into Slack and just notify the project manager. You can even go into graphic design and just say, hey, Shay, who's our project manager, these files for DG are completed. Whoops, completed. Please send an email to the client with this share link. And that's it, you're done.